Looking for the ultimate budget travel destinations in 2024? Want to discover the world's hidden gems without burning a hole in your pocket? You've hit the jackpot. Welcome to our virtual journey, where we'll be unveiling some of the most cost-effective places to visit in 2024. We've done the math, weighed the attractions, and considered the experiences to bring you destinations that will satisfy your travel cravings without leaving your wallet empty. So, fasten your seatbelts as we whisk you away on a virtual tour to some of the most economical travel hotspots for the year 2024. Our first stop on this budget-friendly journey is Vietnam. As one of the most affordable countries in Southeast Asia, Vietnam is a treasure trove for budget travelers. One of the biggest selling points is the low-cost accommodation. Whether you prefer a cozy guest house or a budget hotel, you can find decent lodgings for less than a night out back home. But it's not just about affordability. The food is another highlight. From street stalls serving up bowls of pho for less than $1, to inexpensive restaurants offering a taste of the local cuisine, your taste buds and your wallet will thank you. Getting around is also a bargain. Whether you're catching a bus, hiring a bike, or jumping into a taxi, travel within the country won't cost you an arm and a leg. And let's not forget about Vietnam's rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning landscapes that add to its allure. So, for a taste of Asia that won't drain your wallet, Vietnam is a hard-to-beat destination. Next, we fly over to South America, landing in Bolivia. This landlocked gem is a haven for budget travelers. Let's talk affordability. Bolivia offers an array of budget-friendly activities. Whether you're exploring the dizzying heights of the Andes or the vibrant city streets of La Paz, your wallet won't feel the pinch. Public transportation? It's cheap and cheerful. Hop on a bus or a shared taxi, and you'll discover that getting around is as economical as it is fun. And when it comes to accommodation, Bolivia's got you covered. From cozy hostels to value-for-money hotels, you can rest easy knowing you're getting a bargain. But Bolivia is more than just a budget destination. It's a land of diverse landscapes, from the snow-capped peaks of the Andes to the steamy jungles of the Amazon. It's a country rich in history where ancient cultures still thrive today. And it's a place of vibrant culture where music, dance, and colorful festivals are a way of life. Bolivia, a destination where your money stretches far and the experiences are rich. Our third stop takes us to the cradle of Western civilization, Greece. This sun-drenched paradise offers an affordable escape without skimping on the experience. You'll be surprised at how far your money can stretch here, even in a European context. Let's start with the food. Greek cuisine is not just delicious, it's also easy on the wallet. From a simple yet satisfying souvlaki to a hearty moussaka, eating in Greece is a culinary adventure that won't break the bank. Accommodations? You're in luck. Whether you're looking for a quaint guest house in the mainland or a budget-friendly hostel on one of the islands, there are plenty of options to fit your finances. And let's not forget about the attractions. From the ancient ruins in Athens to the stunning beaches of the islands, many of Greece's gems are free to explore or come with a minimal fee. Immerse yourself in a rich tapestry of history, bask in the Mediterranean sun, and savor every bite of your Greek salad. For a budget-friendly European adventure, Greece is a fantastic choice. And there you have it, 3 fantastic travel destinations that won't break the bank in 2024. Vietnam, with its bustling street markets and serene landscapes. Bolivia, a haven of rich culture and breathtaking salt flats. And Greece, a blend of historical marvels and stunning coastlines. 2024 is shaping up to be an exciting year for budget travel, so why wait? Start planning your globe-trotting adventure today. So pack your bags and get ready to explore the world without spending a fortune. Safe travels.